Are you a consultant, coach, or online course creator struggling to get customers or clients? Or perhaps you're attracting clients, but it feels like you're scraping the bottom of the barrel. You're not attracting quality prospects who can afford your fees, implement your advice, and experience real results. Maybe you've tried social media, video, and even paid advertising, but nothing seems to work. I'm Terry Dean from terrydean.com, and in this video, I'm going to share a simple 5-step method to create a clear sales message that consistently attracts more high-quality customers and clients without spending an additional penny on advertising. The answer is right here in the palm of your hand. This system is so easy to understand that you can start applying it immediately. But at the same time, there's so much depth in it that you can use it to analyze and create any type of sales message now or in the future. Let's start off with your thumb. That's the desperate problem. Start out your advertising by calling out the problem your audience is willing to spend their hard-earned money to solve. It's not about you, your product, or your service. It's about them and their problem. Start off by talking about the problem itself and the implications it has on their life. Once you've established the problem that you can help them solve, follow that up with your unique promise. Why can you help your clients solve that problem better than anyone else? With all the options available in the market, why should they choose yours? That's your unique point of difference. The middle finger stands for the overwhelming proof. If you don't back up your promise with a form of proof, such as a case study or even a demonstration of your system in action, your potential clients may give you the middle finger. They've heard all the promises before and they simply don't believe you. Your ring finger is the irresistible offer. How can you make your offer risk-free and more painful for them to walk away than to take advantage of? What else can you add to enhance the offer and make it even more valuable to them? Finally, we have the reason to act now. It's a little thing, but deadlines are what motivate people to take action. What will they miss out on if they choose to delay till tomorrow? Perhaps they'll miss out on a discounted price or an extra bonus you have available to them. Think about how many things you've purchased because they were on sale. These 5 little steps are behind successful marketing messages. Take a look at your website, videos, social media posts, emails, and any other form of communication which isn't consistently attracting new customers and clients, and you're missing at least one of these 5 steps. If you'd like a free cheat sheet to remind you of the 5 steps and 3 free training videos that walk you through using them to create your sales messages, click the link below now to go to terrydean.com and enter your best email address to download your cheat sheet and watch the first free video training. Soon you too can have a clear message that consistently attracts high-quality customers and clients. And by the way, did you catch how I quickly applied all 5 fingers in this video itself?